If you've ever had an account banned, flagged, or suspended while trying to scale your online business, this video could save you thousands of dollars and countless hours of frustration. I'm about to show you the exact tool that professionals use to manage multiple accounts without ever getting detected, and how to get it for 30% off. So stay with me until the end because I'll give you the exact coupon code and step-by-step instructions. Here's the reality. Every time you log into a website, you're leaving a digital fingerprint. I'm talking about your IP address, your browser type, your screen resolution, your time zone, your installed fonts, literally hundreds of data points that websites use to identify you. And here's where it gets tricky. If you're running multiple Facebook ad accounts, multiple Amazon stores, or managing several client social media profiles from the same computer, platforms can detect this. They see the same fingerprint logging into different accounts. And boom, you get flagged, suspended, or banned. And once that happens, you're losing money every single day. This is exactly why I use Multilogin and why thousands of successful marketers, e-commerce sellers, and digital agencies rely on it every single day. Multilogin is an anti-detect browser. And before you ask, no, it's not a VPN. It's much more powerful than that. What Multilogin does is create completely separate browser profiles, and each profile has its own unique digital fingerprint. We're talking different canvas fingerprints, different WebGL parameters, different audio context, different everything. To any website you visit, each profile looks like a completely different person on a completely different device in a completely different location. This means you can run as many accounts as you need across any platform: Facebook, Google, Amazon, TikTok, Shopify, whatever you're working with, and each account is completely isolated and undetectable. Multilogin has been in the game since 2015. They're not some new startup that's going to disappear next year. They've been protecting accounts for over 9 years, and they're the industry leader for a reason. Let me break down why this tool is absolutely essential if you're serious about scaling online. First, you get two powerful browser engines. There's Mimic, which is based on Chromium, and StealthFox, based on Firefox. This gives you maximum compatibility with any website or platform you're working with. Second, the fingerprint technology is next level. Every single browser profile you create has completely unique fingerprints that are indistinguishable from real users. No platform can detect that you're using multiple accounts. Third, team collaboration. If you're running an agency or working with a team, you can share browser profiles with your team members anywhere in the world. They can access the accounts they need without you having to share passwords or worry about security. Fourth, built-in automation. Multilogin has API integration and automation features that let you scale your operations without spending hours on manual tasks. If you're doing affiliate marketing, dropshipping, or running ad campaigns, this is a game changer. And fifth, they have integrated residential proxies, high-quality proxies built right into the platform, so you can appear from different locations around the world without dealing with third-party proxy providers. Now, who actually needs Multilogin? If you're an affiliate marketer running multiple campaigns across different networks, you need this to avoid getting banned. If you're an e-commerce seller managing multiple stores on Amazon, eBay, Shopee, or any other marketplace, you absolutely need this. If you're a social media manager handling multiple client accounts, this protects you and your clients. If you run a digital agency and you're scaling services for multiple clients, Multilogin lets you manage everything safely in one place. And if you're doing any kind of market research, web scraping, or competitive analysis, right now you can get 30% off your Multilogin subscription, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to claim this discount step by step. First, go to multilogin.com. I've put the link in the description below, so just click that. Second, once you're on the website, click on Pricing in the top menu. You'll see 3 plans: Solo, Team, and Scale. Choose the plan that fits your needs based on how many browser profiles you need to run. Third, click Start Now or Get Started on the plan you've chosen. Fourth, and this is the important part, when you get to the checkout page, you're going to see a field that says Coupon Code or Promo Code. This is where you're going to enter the discount code. Fifth, type in exactly this: ADSOFF30. That's ADSOFF30, all capital letters. Make sure you type it exactly like that. Sixth, click Apply, and you'll immediately see 30% taken off your total. That's it. And if this video helped you, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more tools and strategies like this, and drop a comment below if you have any questions.